Welcome. Today we'll explore the difference between intermolecular and intramolecular forces in chemistry. Let's start with intermolecular forces. These are the forces that hold atoms together within a single molecule. For example, in a water molecule, intermolecular forces are the covalent bonds between oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Intermolecular forces, on the other hand, are the forces between different molecules. For instance, water molecules are attracted to each other through hydrogen bonding, which is a type of intermolecular force. Let's look at some key differences. First, intermolecular forces are much stronger than intermolecular forces. It takes more energy to break a covalent bond within a molecule than to separate molecules from each other. These forces affect different properties. Intermolecular forces determine chemical properties and molecular structure, while intermolecular forces influence physical properties like boiling point, melting point, and solubility. When a substance changes phase, like water turning from liquid to gas, we're breaking intermolecular forces, but the water molecules themselves stay intact because the intermolecular forces aren't broken. Understanding these forces is crucial in chemistry as they help explain and predict how substances behave under different conditions.